Hi guys, welcome to my new Speed Clean with me. I am bringing you some bathroom cleaning motivation. If this is your very first time to my channel, welcome. I am so happy to have you. And if you're returning, I am grateful for your continued love and support.
Cause my life is dismissed. I keep searching for my bliss. It took days to finally start writing songs, but now it's begun.
I just sprayed everything down with my Jaws disinfectant. It needs to sit for a little bit, so I'm going in with my Jaws glass cleaner and my e-cloth polishing rag to take care of this window and the blinds. My bathroom was so dusty. I let it get a little too bad, and I made the rookie mistake of using my cleaners before dusting because I was in a hurry, and we all know what happens when you put any kind of liquid over dust.
Than ever before, keeps repeating my phrases to see if it changes rules. I've gone before, like I couldn't get over, couldn't get over, couldn't get over you. Couldn't get over, couldn't get over, couldn't get over you. I go oh, 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 I go.
Sometimes it can be hard to see dirt on camera, but in just a second, look at the bottom of my mirror and you can see that it needed attention. So I'm going in with the Jaws again. And while I'm doing that, I just wanted to thank you guys so much. I just hit 1,000 subscribers. I am so excited. And I wanted to let you all know that I will be doing a giveaway. I just need to get all that coordinated, and I will keep you posted on the details of that.
It's begun. I go oh, 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 I go oh, 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 I sing along. I keep pushing myself now, deeper I knew sound more than ever before. Keeps repeating my phrases to see if it changes rules. I've gone before, like I couldn't get over, couldn't get over, couldn't get over you. Couldn't get over, couldn't get over, couldn't get over you. I go oh,
Now I'm just wiping off the disinfectant with my shop towels. For all of my repeats who have heard me mention shop towels about 1 billion times now, let me know if you've tried them yet, and if you have, how do you like them?
oh, I sing along. I go oh, 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 I go oh, oh, I sing along.
I did want to mention that I washed my hands quite a bit when I was cleaning this bathroom, but I know that you guys are here to see the cleaning and not me washing my hands, so I did edit that out. But I wanted to let you guys know that because I didn't want you to think that I was cleaning all up and through my toilet and not washing my hands.
When I call her up to say I'm in town, I get a notion that we both walk the same ground. Been traveling all over, searching far and away for a sign to lead me straight. We walk together down the streets of our home. It's been forever, a long time that I've been gone. The feelings come easy as we start a new day, and I know what I should say.
While I'm getting this taken care of, I would love to know if you guys are cleaning with me or if you're just storing up the motivation. It's so fun to hear what you're up to while you're watching.
I love you.
I'm running low on my disinfecting wipes again, so I'm just using my Jaws disinfectant to wipe off my toilet wand before I put it back.
Your heart, a warm desire, heading for a new start. There ain't no excuses to keep from falling in love.
I'm going in now with my Jaws foaming bathroom cleaner to take care of my vanity and my sinks. If you're new here, I do a few steps when I'm cleaning my bathroom. I like to disinfect first and then use whichever cleaner of the day to take care of any dirt and grime, and then you'll see one more step shortly.
I love you from a beating heart. When I hold your hand, look into your eyes, I start to realize the power that you have. So many things to say, but no words to explain. Another time and place would ease away the pain. I love you from a beating heart. Yeah, I love you from a beating heart. Yeah, yeah.
Guys, I am so excited that my YouTube family is growing. So if you're new here and you have not subscribed, then go ahead and click that button below. I always like to let you know that it is free, but it's how you get notified when I upload new content. So just click the notification bell beside subscribe, choose all, and then you will get notified every single time I upload.
Like a lash in my wrap, coming out on a wing. Set my heart on fire, steal the night. I've been looking for ages, trying to find the one to relieve me somehow. With every heartbeat I feel it, gonna set my sight.
This is the other step I was telling you about. I just went in with my Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner in the Snowdrop scent, and I like to do that just to wipe down any remaining water spots and to clean my vanity with it. While I'm doing that, I wanted to let you guys know that I will be a little out of commission for a while coming up here soon. I'm having a hysterectomy on January 20th, and that means I probably will not be posting anything. I was gonna try to pre-film maybe 1 or 2 videos to have go up at least a couple of Sundays after, but we'll just see if I get the chance to do that. So I just wanted to let you guys know what's going on. I'm okay, I'm choosing to do it just to have a better quality of life. And let me know if you'd be interested once I have recovered in hearing details of that whole story.
You make the world go round. How many times do we fall until we lose it all? Need no commiseration, 'cause I got the next sensation. I've been looking for ages, trying to find the one to relieve me somehow. With every heartbeat I feel it, gonna set my sights on you. You make the world go.
Now I'm moving on to this mirror tray that I keep on our vanity, and it was very neglected as well, you can probably see. So I'm taking care of that, and then in just a minute I'll have to take my husband's toothbrush holder to the kitchen sink. I have to really get in there with some hot water and dish soap to get that clean, so that's why I'm taking it away. And make sure you guys are following me over on Instagram, because while I am out of commission, I'll be a lot more likely to pick up my phone and be able to communicate here and there that way. So my Instagram handle is at crystalrenee_lifestyle.
I just see my past life, having dreams in a dream. I wonder why I carried on with the things that made you lose your mind. There's no way I can undo what I've done. Can we be strangers again? Start fresh like a
what's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of town. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you. Friends keep on saying that I'm better off alone. They don't know what it feels like, but I do. So you faded out while I watched it.
Once I'm finally finished spraying and wiping down my vanity a million times, I like to go in with my glass cleaner and polish up my chrome. It works perfect to get rid of any remaining water spots and just to get it really shiny. And after that, I'm gonna take care of wiping down my toilet. It was already disinfected and clean, but again, I love to go in with my good smelling Mrs. Meyer's and just finish it off.
Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you. I shoot in the dark, so I miss my target.
I love to binge Netflix shows, and I feel like I'm pretty up to date on what's popular right now, but let me know what some of your favorite shows are, because I have a feeling I'm going to be watching a ton of Netflix while I'm out. I'm only planning to actually be out for 2 weeks because I work a job where I don't have to do any heavy lifting or much moving around. So the doctor said I probably can go back after 2 weeks. I'll just feel like I ran 10 marathons at the end of every day. So I will definitely keep you posted on how that goes. I think I might be a little bit crazy. But anyway, let me know if you've got any shows or movies you can recommend.
Let me make a 3D print of you.
I'm hoping what I said could make you change your mind, though it doesn't really matter when my hands are tied. I'm trying to walk across the bridges that I've burned, my only way to you.
I'm just taking care of the outside of my shower doors. The glass and chrome had a ton of smudges and fingerprints on them. And of course, as I always mention, I take care of the inside of the shower while I'm in there.
I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat.
My rug had been washed pretty recently, so kind of in between, I just shake it out and get rid of the hair and dust and vacuum, and then I will wash it soon with bleach. And I'm just vacuuming, but I will not get a chance to mop in this video. Fortunately, it wasn't too bad because, like I said, mainly my bathroom was just full of dust and needed to be wiped down.
It's an understatement to walk alone. I guess it's my repayment. Please give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat.
If you're not a fellow YouTuber, you may not know how much your engagement really helps, so please don't forget to leave a comment. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I'm just rinsing out my soap dish. I use Dove on my face to wash off my makeup before I go in to get the rest with one of my makeup wipes that I get from Costco, and it always has soap residue and water standing in it, so I like to take care of that.
Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind.
As always, thank you guys so much for spending your time with me. I hope you got some motivation from this video and that you enjoyed it. I hope you'll take care of yourselves and your families. I love you so much. Thank you again for helping me grow my family here. I love you. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that?